friends, today we are going to see question 30 of SOM series. So before watching this video, make sure you have watched my video on how to find arc length, that is part 2, that is part 3, and area is part 2. So you can see in the description how to find arc length, and make sure you watch that video before watching this video, because in that video I explain in detail how to find arc length. So in our last section we discussed question 29 of SOM series, that is this question. If you want to see this question, you can check out in description. So today we will discuss question 30 of SOM series. So the question is, find the arc length of curve x is equal to 3y raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 4. We are given limits from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 4. So we know that formula of arc length L is equal to integration from a to b 1 plus under root of 1 plus dx upon dy whole square into dy when is function in form of y, when x is equal to f of y. If this type of function is there, then we have to use this formula. Now we know the limit, it's from 0 to 4. Now first derivate this term, so we get dx upon dy is equal to derivation of 3y raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon dy. So that is equal to 3 into 3 by 2 y raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, it will get 0. So this is equal to 9 by 2 into y raised to 1 by 2. This was the first step. Now we have to square this term. So dy upon dx whole square is equal to 9 upon 2 y raised to 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 81 upon 4 y. So 2 will get cancelled, so this will be 81 upon 4 into y. Now we have to add 1, so we get 1 plus dy upon dx whole square is equal to 1 plus 81 upon 4 into y, that is equal to 4 plus 81 y upon 4. Now L is equal to integration from 0 to 4, we are given limit, into under root of, we have found 1 plus dx upon dy whole square, it was dx upon dy is this term 4 plus 81 y upon 4 and into dy. So now we have to integrate this term. So let's first take out the 4 outside. So L is equal to 1 upon 2 integration from 0 to 4, integration of 4 plus 81 y into dy. Now let 4 plus 81 y is equal to t. So we get 81 dy is equal to dt. Limit will also get changed. When we put y is equal to 0, t will be 4. When we put y is equal to 4, it will be 4 plus 81 into 4, that is equal to 4 plus 8 4 is 32 into 4. This will be like this, that is equal to 328. So limit will, so here we got, when we got limit from t is equal to 4 to t is equal to 328. Now L is equal to 1 upon 2 integration from 4 to 328 into root t into dt upon 81. dy is equal to dt upon 81. So we get, now taking 81 outside, so 2 into 81 will be 162 into, now integrate root t with respect to dt, we get t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Now put the limit. So first take out 2 by 3 outside. So 3 by 2, 2 will go up, so it will be 2 by 3, and 2 will get cancelled, so it will be 81 into 3. and put upper limit minus lower limit. Now 328 is the square root of 82. So it will be 82 whole cube. Let's first solve this one. So in this we can clearly see that we can take out common as 64 root will be 8. Let's take out 16 common. So it will be 328 into 2 into root 82 minus root of 4 will be 2 and 2 cube is 8. Now let's take 8 common outside. So here it will be 8 and taking 4 from here and 2 this one, and 81 into 3 will be 8 is 24 into 3 into. Now we have taken out 8 common, so 8 4 from here, so 4 into 8 and 4 to the 82 root 82 minus 1. So this is our final answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.